Hi, I'm Ben Ayling, co-owner of Nature Photo Workshops. We're glad you're here. At Nature Photo Workshops, we specialize in the creative aspects of nature photography so you can create stunning images during your time in the field, both with us and afterwards. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned photographer, our workshops are designed to meet you where you are and guide you toward greater success. Since starting the company, Tom Yackley and I have dedicated our work toward the teaching of others. That's why we limit participation in our workshops to just 4 photographers per leader, giving you all the individualized attention you need. In the field, we welcome you to ask questions, look through our viewfinders, and see how the same view can be transfixed through numerous perspectives. Before each workshop begins, we have a fact-finding Zoom meeting to assess where each photographer is on their journey. This allows us to be well prepared for you to join us in the field and for us to tailor the workshop to your individual needs and skills. After every workshop is a follow-up meeting to share your captures, insights, and plans for your continuing journey in nature photography. So take a moment, check out our website and the various workshops we have to offer, as well as the many photos taken on our workshops by both Tom and I and our participants. Thanks for stopping by. We look forward to getting together with you soon.